A few weeks ago, you may have seen me upload this bumper. It's come in to me. I believe it's from a Corsa, but it's, for some reason, he cannot get this part and he wants it fixed. So that's what I'm doing. It's a particular kind of plastic. It's not your typical bumper plastic. This one is PUR, polyurethane. And as you can see, it has numerous cracks. Now I've actually welded all these cracks up now from behind, which I'll show you. So that's all welded up. So what I'm going to do now is do a quick video for you all on welding it from the front. And we're going to repair, we'll do a small bit. So I'm going to repair that hole, those two holes, and do part weld up the crack. I've used some aluminium tape or aluminum tape, depending which country you're in, on the back. What that helps is if I hadn't welded already at the back here, it would just help keep the crack together. But as I have, it's going to also help with the dissipation of the heat. I'm using a Kovacs belt sander. I've actually got the 3M belt on it because this is an exceptionally coarse one. I think it's about 38 or 40 grit. It's really coarse, but it's going to be perfect for giving me that groove that I want to weld in the polyurethane ribbon. So what I like particularly about this coarse grit is you can see it leaves a really good key for the polyurethane to adhere to. So I've grooved it all out using the belt sander, but what I've done is I've also used a little 50mm DA with a 60 grit just to smoothen out that edge. Just so if any of the polyurethane rod goes over, it's got something to grip to. So that's it. It's repaired, well, it's welded all up, plastic welded, using an airless welder, using the Polyvance airless welder. Holes are all filled in, and now it's just time to give it a little skim. Final bit on the bumper that I've plastic welded, the polyurethane bumper. I have now skimmed it, and as you can see, it is a light skim, so there is not a lot of filler on this job. But it was just to give it that little bit of a shape in areas that I needed it, where I did the weld, and now it's good to prime.